Hello, my name is Gary Watson and welcome to the third quarterly update for 2014. First of all, a big thank you to our friends and customers and colleagues who came to see us at the Emergency Services Show. The International Fire Training Centre at the show was exhibiting our Serco Fire Services, telling the communities that we serve about not just our capabilities but also other services provided by Serco to airports in the civilian and military sector in the UK and around the world. So thanks for that. Secondly, a big thank you to John and Steve and Karen and the team at Manchester Airport Group. We had a great day down there the week before last when they unveiled their Oshkosh range of vehicles to fire service managers from across the UK and Ireland, as well as some industry luminaries. It was great catching up with some of the old friends and some of the old faces, and a really interesting development there at Manchester. You may well have already received that flyer that we sent out a week or so ago talking about that snozzle course that we've developed with Manchester. So anybody who's looking at that technology or has it now, who wants to train with it in a different environment, just give us a call on 01325 333317 and we'll set that up for you. Excitement's built at IFTC because this week we've had the new helideck installed. The helicopter arrived on the back of a wagon yesterday evening to wide-eyed applause from the team here. So that's just been installed on the fire ground now. Great addition to our capabilities, and we're looking at developing a range of courses both offshore and aviation around that new equipment to put at your disposal. We're looking very busy between now and the end of the year. We're having a great year so far, but between now and Christmas we've got bags of people coming in from the UK and around the world. So we've just taken from our friends at Terberg a 7th major form tender to add to the fleet to get us through that surge in demand between now and the end of the year. So if you are coming here, you'll see some additions to the fleet on the fire ground. I think it was in the last quarterly update where I mentioned about Joanna Robinson and the talent services offer that IFTC now makes, in particular around apprentices. Well, there's been some developments there. Joanna has been working with Ray in Parrard at Cardiff Airport, and we've now recruited our first 2 apprentices for Cardiff's airport fire service. Some really interesting aspects to that in terms of cost, in terms of staff development, in terms of talent management and succession planning. If you'd like to find out more, just give Joanna a call on that number I gave you earlier. A new addition to IFTC's associate bench in the form of Jeff Leach. Many of you will know that Jeff used to be the head of the CAA's Dangerous Goods Department. Jeff has now worked with IFTC as guest lecturer delivering material and courses to people on the Supervisor Initial programme, and we're looking to work with Jeff to see how we can use his expertise and knowledge for a broader offer to the community. If anybody's going to the Airport Operators Association, I think it's in November, hopefully we'll see you there. I would just ask you to keep a lookout for our new video, which was produced by ITN for that conference, really around the incident command training that we offer here at IFTC. It's a great video, hopefully you'll enjoy seeing it. And when the show's over, we're going to be able to distribute that video through LinkedIn on the website, and I'm sure that you'll find that interesting. So once again, you know, it's been a great quarter of the year so far. I'll be back to you in December with a final update for the year. And so far, thanks very much indeed for the business you've been giving IFTC. It's greatly appreciated. One final time, it's Gary Watson, the International Fire Training Centre. Thank you for listening.